Good morning, everyone. Psalms chapter 1, verse 1 to 3. It speaks about a blessed man. And that blessed man, there are things that he doesn't do, and there are things that he do. And because of that, it makes him to prosper in everything that you do. The things that he doesn't do, he does not take counsel of the ungodly. He does not walk in the counsel of the ungodly. He does not stand in the way of the sinners. He does not sit in the seat of the scornful. Those are the three things that he doesn't do himself. And the two things that he does for himself: he meditates on the word of the Lord day and night, and he delights in the word of the Lord. It also speaks about the results of this blessed man. That blessed man is like a tree that is planted by the rivers of water. It's planted by the rivers of water that brings forth fruits in its season. And whatever he do, it prosper. Are you like that tree that is planted by the riverside of the water? What am I saying to you today? I'm saying that check yourself. Do you meet the prerequisites of this blessed man? Do you do the things that he do? Do you avoid the things that he avoids? Maybe you've been trying to do a business, you've been trying to get a job, you've been trying to do this, but you are taking counsel from the ungodly. That's why it's not prospering. Because as a child of God, you do not do that. You are sitting in the seat of the scornful, discussing how to scorn people, discussing how to live life. As a child of God, blasphemy. Going forward from today, I pray for you that God gives you grace to be like this blessed man that Psalms chapter 1, verse 1 to 3 is. That you meet the requirements, that you do not sit in the seat of the scornful, that you do not walk in the counsel of the ungodly, that you do not stand in the way of the sinners. Instead, you will delight in the word of the Lord, and you will meditate upon it day and night. And you will be like that man, that tree that is planted by the rivers, that brings forth fruit in every season, in its season, and its leaf does not wither no matter the season. And you will make your way prosperous. Whatever you do will be prosperous. Stay blessed.